So, you want to start using NoodleTools? NoodleTools is a citation management program that NU Library subscribes to, and it can help you keep track of sources and create citations for them, make notes, and do collaborative research and writing. In this video, we'll show you how to set up your account and start creating projects. Then we'll cover the features in our next videos. NoodleTools is available for free for all NU students through the library subscription. All you have to do is create an account. So let's start at the library homepage, library.niagara.edu. From there, scroll down to Quick Links and find the link called NoodleTools. Make sure that you always start at the library homepage and click the link from there. This ensures that you'll be properly authenticated through our subscription. Otherwise, if you bookmark the site itself or type the address directly into your browser, you may have trouble logging in. Just like with our other library databases and resources, if you're using NoodleTools from off-campus, you'll be asked to log in with your Purple Pass username and password. Now we're on the NoodleTools login screen. Notice the green message that says you have been automatically authenticated into the Niagara University subscription. If this is your first time using NoodleTools, you'll just need to create your free account, but it's pretty quick and you only have to do it once. So click on the register link, then select whether you're a student or instructor, and select your year of graduation. The reason it asks for the last 4 digits of your phone number and your initials is just for troubleshooting. So if you have trouble logging into your account in the future, an NU librarian can use this to retrieve your account information. Then you can choose your own username and password, or as they call it here, a personal ID. Just for simplicity, consider using the same username and password that you already have for your Purple Pass account, and then it's one less account to remember. So once you're registered, you can just sign in. The site starts you on a page called Projects listed here at the top. Projects are used to organize your work, so you'd create a new project for each paper or assignment that you're working on. And then as you work on your assignment and you find articles or books to use, you can add their citations to the project. So this makes it easy to keep track of all your sources, and you don't have to worry about forgetting where you got a certain quote or a piece of information. It also categorizes them by year, so by default I'm on a page for the current school year. If I want to see projects I created in previous years, I can just select it from the drop-down menu. I haven't created any projects for the current year, so right now the list is empty. Let's create a new project by clicking on the green New Project button. The project title is whatever works best for you to help you identify it later on. I'll call it Harry Potter Essay. Next, we choose a citation style. In many cases, your instructor will have already told you which style you need to use, whether that's MLA, APA, or Chicago. If you're not sure, check with your instructor. I'll choose MLA here. Then we choose a citation level. This determines how many options you'll get for adding different kinds of sources. Starter is very basic with only a few options, so we recommend using Junior or Advanced. I'll use Junior. Don't worry too much about making a mistake on this screen because it's very easy to go back and change the citation style or citation level later on if you want. Then I click Submit. Now, instead of an empty list for the current year, it shows the project I just created, and I can quickly see the citation style and citation level that it uses. From here I can add sources, note cards, or attachments. Adding a source means adding the title, author, and other details about a piece of information I want to use, such as a book, article, or website. We'll get to that in another video. I can also add a note card, which lets me make notes and record quotes or other information from the sources. That's also in another video. The last type of item I can add is an attachment. So if I have my article or other source saved as a file, like a PDF, I can upload it here. To do that, we just click on the paperclip. From here, I can choose whether I want the attachment to be associated with the project as a whole, project attachments, or if I want to associate it with a specific source, source attachments. Since I haven't added any sources yet, I'll just leave it as a project attachment. Then we click the green New File button. Click Select Files from your device, and then you navigate to the file on your computer. Then I double-click and click Save. Now the attachment is saved in my NoodleTools account, so I know that I'll always have a copy of the article. Then if I go back to my projects, next to the paperclip is a number 1, showing that I have one attachment. Then I can just click the file name to view it. Now you know how to set up your NoodleTools account and add projects. Make sure to watch our other videos to learn how to add sources and create citations, take notes, and collaborate. In the meantime, if you have any questions, feel free to contact NU Library for assistance.